Hey everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a FabFitFun unboxing. I've partnered with FabFitFun again. I've been working with them for a while now. They are my favorite subscription box service. FabFitFun has just released their summer 2019 box, which is sitting right behind me. I am so excited to open it. If you are not familiar with FabFitFun, they are a seasonal subscription box service, so they come 4 times a year. They're each valued at over $200, but you can get them for $49.99. Or if you've never gotten a FabFitFun box before, you can use my code BRIT10, which I will have on the screen right here, and you can get $10 off your first box. FabFitFun also lets you customize your box now, so I will show you some of the things that I actually chose to be in it in summer 2019. And if you didn't know, it's actually available in the UK now. So if you live in the UK, you can actually get FabFitFun, which is very exciting. And if you're a member, you get early access to their add-on sales as well. So definitely check it out. I will have a link in the description box. If you are new to FabFitFun, you can sign up and again use my code. I'll also have that listed in the description box below, but otherwise let's go ahead and see my 2019 summer FabFitFun box. As always, the designs on the FabFitFun boxes are so pretty. I love them. They always look so nice with whatever season they're coming with, and it'll also tell you what organization or foundation they're working with on the front. So this one is in support of Global Gift Foundation USA, Girls in Action Alliance with Eva Longoria Foundation. And of course inside it comes with a magazine. This will tell you a little bit about whatever organization or foundation that they're working with, about the products that are inside, like how much they're worth, and more details like that. They also usually have gift cards or vouchers for things. The first thing I see is a pack of my favorite hair ties. These are the Invisibobble traceless hair rings, and this is the original one. I also have one that's sport, so it actually holds your hair really well. You get 6 in this pack, which is really awesome. These things are not cheap, so I'm really happy about this. And you get 3 of the clear and 3 of the beige color, which would actually be really nice if you had blonde hair. The next thing in here is an item that I actually customized, so I chose this to be in my box. This is a set of 3 indigo tie-dye bowls from West Elm. They fit inside each other, so they're like nesting bowls. And if you didn't know, I'm doing a lot of construction on my house. I'm still collecting things for the new space that we're building. If you didn't know, we're doing a lot of construction right now, so I love getting stuff for the house. And these are so pretty. I love everything from West Elm, and they're quite pricey too, so when I saw that this was an item that you could customize and actually choose to be in your box, like for sure, obviously I had to pick it. This is from Grace and Stella. It's called Spray All Day Rose Spray. It's a hydrating rose facial spray, and I love face mists. They're some of my favorite things to use. I get a lot of them from different brands because I find it so refreshing to use throughout the day, and even like when you wake up in the morning, it's so nice. On the back it says it's paraben-free, cruelty-free, vegan, and it is recyclable and sulfate-free. This is a really big bottle. I like the look of that. This would be like something that I would just leave on like my vanity or something so that I could use it all the time. Oh, it smells really good. I just want to like spray it on my body. Next is a product from Dr. Rogers Restore. It's the Healing Balm. This is certified cruelty-free and vegan, recyclable and BPA-free in the packaging, which is nice. On the side, it says that you can use it for chapped lips, cuts and burns, severe dry skin, and post-procedure skincare, which is cool. So if you get like a laser treatment or something. And it also says beauty hacks and baby ointment. Oh, that's like a very thick balm for like actually dry skin, which is what I need. I have eczema on my elbow and a little bit on my feet right now, so I'm definitely gonna use that for those super dry areas of my skin. And this would also be a really good lip balm for sure. Okay, next we have a piece of jewelry from Jennifer Zuner Jewelry. I hope I said that right. Oh my god, that is so cute. This necklace has the most adorable little star charms on it. I really want to wear this, I think, right now. That is very cute. Okay, so we also have a brightening purple clay mask from Generation Clay. This is also certified cruelty-free. It smells really clean, like something that you would get if you went to a spa and got a facial. I love doing face masks, so I'm excited to try that. This next thing I'm very excited about. It was another one of my customizations for this summer box. This is the Sutra Beauty Marble Blow Dryer in the travel size. I love anything that is travel size. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, this is like my favorite thing ever. So So it comes with 2 attachments. There's literally a diffuser attachment. I don't think I've ever seen a diffuser attachment for a little blow dryer like this. And then they also have like the regular one that you can use to have more direct airflow. On the box, it says that it has an ultra quiet motor, it has 2 speeds, it's safe for all hair types, it's actually made with recycled materials, which is really cool, and it's dual voltage and obviously very lightweight because it's so tiny and so cute. Looks like there are 2 more things in the summer 2019 box. The next one is the Wish Coconut Milk and Verbena Exfoliating Foot Mask. This brand is also certified cruelty-free. It says it's naturally sourced with organic ingredients. This says to use ideally at bedtime, apply liberally to desired area and let dry. Go to bed and wake up with softer feet. Rinse after 8 to 12 hours. Kind of like a tanning routine. I can definitely smell the coconut in there. Your feet would smell really nice after using it. And on the front it also says that it's paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, DEA and TEA-free, petrochemical-free, and obviously cruelty-free. And the very last product in the summer 2019 FabFitFun box is a product from Living Proof. I've used a lot of their hair products before and I really liked them. I actually have no idea if this brand is cruelty-free or not. I'll have to look that up, or you can just let me know in the comments below. But this is the Nourishing Styling Cream. It stops frizz and lightly conditions, and you apply it from roots to ends, comb through, and style as usual. It definitely reminds me of how your hair smells after you leave a salon from getting your hair done. And that is everything that I had in my FabFitFun box for summer 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And again, if you haven't had a chance to try FabFitFun yet and you want to, definitely use my code BRIT10 for $10 off your first box. I will have it in the description box below this video, as well as the link to the actual website. These also make really amazing like birthday gifts as well. So if you have someone that you need to buy something for their birthday and maybe they live farther away from you, it's super easy to get it shipped to their house, and you can definitely use my code too to get a little bit of money off of that. And then they get a ton of really amazing products that are worth so much more than what you're actually spending on the box. So keep that in mind too if you are looking for birthday gifts for people. And if you are new to my channel, definitely subscribe and check out my other videos that I have. I would love to have you guys around, and I hope you are having an amazing day. Thank you so much again for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!